Hi children, today let us learn about part 3 of chapter 4, parts and wholes. Okay, here this is one activity type question for you. 6 parts of a rectangle. 6 parts of a rectangle. Rani has divided a green rectangle into 6 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now you divided each of these rectangles into 6 equal parts. Use a different way for each of these 3 rectangles. In different ways, I am just dividing 6 equal parts. Okay. Discuss how will you check that is part is really 1/6 of the rectangle. Why? Because I am taking 1 centimeter distance. Okay. In this one part, using scale 1 centimeter, I am just taking. The green rectangle is bigger than the blue one. Can we say that 1/6 of the green rectangle is bigger than the 1/6 of the blue rectangle? Means which one is big in this? The green rectangle is big. Okay. Next one. This is a small story. Great gatekeepers. Okay, listen children. Remember Birbal. Everyone know Birbal. Remember Birbal, the clever minister of King Akbar. Math magic class 4. In class 4 also page number 14 we will discuss this. Do you know how he become a minister? You know? Okay, let's see. Birbal was then a young boy living in a village. He was very clever and could write poetries. He thought he would try his luck in the king's court. So he took some of his poems and set off for this city. When he reached the outer gate of the places, he was stopped by a gatekeeper. Hey, stop there! Where are you going? Shouted the gatekeeper. I am a poet, says he. I am a poet. I want to see King Akbar and show my poems to him, replied the poet. Oh, you are a poet. The king of is kind. He will surely give a prize. I will let you in if you give me 1/10 of your prize. Okay, children. First gatekeeper. First gatekeeper asks, how much part of the price he want? 1/10. Okay, 1/10. Let's go. Young Birbal agreed since he had no other way. When he went in, the gatekeeper calculated, if he gets 100 gold coins, I will get how many gold coins? If he get 100 into 100, he get how many? 10 into 10. 10 ones are 10. So 10 coins he get. 10 coins. First gatekeeper, how many coins he get? 10 coins. Okay. The poet came to second gatekeeper. His gatekeeper also said, I will let you in if you give me 2/5 of your price. The poet agreed. Second gatekeeper asked, how much part of the price? 2/5 part of the price means 100. Okay. The gatekeeper happily calculated, the poet will get at least 100 gold coins. So I will get how many coins? Okay, let's calculate. 5 20s. 5 20s are how much? 2 10s are 2 5s are 10. 100. So 220s are how much? 40. 220s are how much? 40 coins. Get second gatekeeper. Okay, here you just observe, children. He won 2/5 part of the 100 coins. So 2/5 into 100. 520s are 100. 220s are 40 coins. Okay. First gatekeeper 10. Second gatekeeper 40. So the poet reached the last gate. The gatekeeper said, I will allow you to see the king only if you give me half of your price that you get. The poet had no other way. He agreed with went inside. The gatekeeper thought, today is a great day. If he gets 100 gold coins, I will get half, means in half 100, half means 50. 50 coins, gold coins, 50 gold coins. But if he get 1000, wow, I will get 500. In 1000 half means how much? 500. The king was very happy with the poem and said, your work is very good. You can ask anything as your price. Okay, king said, you can ask anything as your price. So, my lord, I want 10 slabs. మీన్స్ తను అడిగాడు 100 చెంపదెబ్బలు. సో వాంట్ 100 slabs. The king was shocked. The king was shocked. What happened after that? Complete the story. What part of the prize did the poet get? Nothing is poet get. Why? Because 100 slabs for first gatekeeper, 40 slabs for second gatekeeper, and 50 slabs for third gatekeeper. So 100 completed. Okay. And next thing we will discuss patterns in parts. Make different patterns by coloring some squares in the grids B, C, D. What part of the grid did you color? What part of the grid remained white? Okay. Here 8 into means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 16 square boxes are there. In this 16, 16 means in 16, 8 are blue color. In 16, 8 are white color. Okay, like this yourself you just color it using your own colors, means your wish. Okay, here they are using 4 square boxes blue color and 4 red color, remaining white, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 white, 8 by 16 white. Okay, here also same thing. Okay, you just use your own colors. Next, look at the grid. Is the grid colored? A grid colored? Two blue, 1/3 blue, 1/2 blue, 1/2 white. 2/4 blue or 2/4 white. 4/8 blue or 4/8 white. Okay. In these 4 options, which one is right? 2. Okay. Draw grids of 16 squares. Make patterns with. Using these 2 options, you just make patterns like this. Okay, children. This is part 3 of chapter 4. Okay, thank you.